Hello and welcome to our overview of Anterra's Service Management BI. We're going to look at 4 topics today: work order profitability, service and construction accounts receivable with work order drill down, agreement expiry analysis, and sales commission reporting. We'll start with work order profitability. This grid allows you to build your own reports to analyze work order profitability. These grids act like Excel pivot tables to allow you to analyze profit by any attribute you like. This grid is showing profitability by salesperson. We can add customer to the sort to see profitability by salesperson by customer. Let's reverse the order and show profitability by customer and salesperson. We can take these pivots off and drag up technician, and now we see profitability by technician. You can build grids to show profitability by customer and location, by city, by state, by zip, by problem code, by call type, or by any of the available columns you see in this list. When you build a grid, you can select a predefined time period from our date selector. Dates are relative to today, so if you're in May and on a calendar fiscal year, your quarter-to-date numbers are from April 1st to today's date in May. Each column can be filtered. For example, if you want to see profitability on large work orders, you could set a filter on the column to be greater than $1,000. Notice that the column now has a highlight to tell users that a filter has been applied. Next, you can change the order of columns. Simply drag a column where you want it. Finally, you can choose which columns you want to see. Simply show and hide columns using the column selection tool. Once you have a grid you like, you can save it. The pivots, selected columns, column order, filters, and date selection will be saved. When you click on the Save button, you can choose to make the grid a shared grid with all users, or each user can set up their own private grids that are only visible to them. For example, you might filter the grid to a large customer or to a single salesperson if you want to closely monitor them. This is a powerful reporting tool that lets you understand your profitability by any variable you like and create as many reports as you need. You'll understand your margin on work orders by any factor. Contact us if you have questions in your specific needs. Let's move on to our second topic, accounts receivable. Accounts receivable shows you age, service management, and construction AR. You can drill to invoice and payment transactions by clicking on the invoice number. For example, here are the invoiced items for this invoice. If there were partial payments, they would appear as well. We also show you which work orders have been invoiced and drill through to the work order details. Here we see the work order and can drill through to the work order items. This allows your staff to speak about specific work orders when they make collection calls. Like we saw in our work order profitability grid, we can sort receivables by any column. For example, we can sort AR by salesperson. Let's look at our third area of SM reporting, agreement expiry analysis. We give you visibility into your agreements by showing you all the information you need about an agreement: the customer, location type, sales lead and source, amount, dates, term, how long until the agreement expires, how long you've had the company as a customer, and the renewal status. Like the work order profitability grid, you can sort and subtotal the grid by any column, select your range of dates, and save your grid as a shared or private report. This effectively gives you a report writing tool to create as many reports as you like. Finally, let's discuss commission on service work orders and construction invoices. Calculating commissions manually can be extremely time-consuming and result in long discussions with salespeople over specific items. We can take away that pain by building reports for you that automatically calculate sales commissions based on 2 methods. First, when service or construction invoices are fully paid in a month, also called a pay when paid basis, or second, we can calculate commissions based on invoices issued in a month. Commission calculations can be based on gross invoice amounts or invoiced amounts net of uncommissionable amounts like taxes. Please contact us to discuss your specific commission calculations. This concludes our executive overview of Service Management BI. Please contact us if you'd like more information. Thank you for your time.